What we don't understand is all the destruction and theft, because what does stealing have to do with any of this? And so folks came down there just to steal, just to destroy property, and just to hurt officers. That was the purpose of their coming.
That's from St. Louis, the police chief speaking after 4 officers shot last night during riots. I want to bring in the Missouri AG, Eric Schmitt. And, sir, thank you for your time. What happened with these police officers last night, sir?
Well, I think what you saw in St. Louis last night was horrific and totally unacceptable. You had police officers being shot at. 4 were shot. You had firefighters responding to businesses being burned, and they were assaulted and blocked from getting, to do their job to protect us. You had a retired African-American police officer who was protecting property, was shot and killed. It was broadcast live on social media. You had businesses burned. But the assault on the police officers last night was certainly beyond the pale. My job in working with federal prosecutors is to make sure we bring these people to justice.
So you were joining U.S. attorneys to prosecute illegal rioters. Go ahead and define what you consider illegal, and what would that partnership do for the people of St. Louis?
Well, look, and I think one thing to make really clear here is that, the First Amendment, our God-given right to demonstrate, to be heard, to express ourselves is protected, and people out there are doing that. But last night in St. Louis, that crossed the line, and there were some folks who took advantage of that situation. And we sent a clear message with our partnership with the U.S. Attorney's Office that we announced yesterday, that if you are in Missouri and you are rioting, if you are looting, if you're destroying property, we will prosecute you to the fullest extent of the law. So I think that partnership is unique. It's unprecedented between state and federal prosecutors. We're serious about it, and we intend to prosecute those folks who were, again, assaulting police officers, shooting at police officers. There's a highway patrolman who was hit in the helmet with a bullet. Again, somebody shot and killed defending property on Facebook Live. This is unacceptable. And to live in a civilized society, we ought to expect more. Our laws mean something, and they need to be enforced.
One last question. Do you have a curfew in St. Louis? Is there one?
Not one. There wasn't last night, and I think that as the attention grows to tonight, we want to make sure we're supporting, local law enforcement. The National Guard is on the scene. The Highway Patrol is on the scene, and we want to do everything we can to support them.
Good luck to you. All right, Eric Schmitt, the AG in Missouri. Nice to talk to you, sir. Thank you.